Well, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and I'll be showing you how to make a DIY EAS alarm. Although your EAS alarm is going to be, and your country and your country creation is going to be fake, but no matter what. So all you need to do is to go to flip clip and then design the, before you design the flag, you have to press add image, and you'll find the image, and you'll find a screenshot that you bring, and then you edit it. Okay, so next you go to My Movie. This app right here beside Smart Manager and Mobizen, and just go to, then press start edit and make this country as the host, because you need to drag it, and then edit it. And then you just eat it. And then you press gallery. And then press photo. You just, oh, I forgot to do overlay. Like, this was a failure. Just delete it. Okay, so press overlay instead, and grab your photo, and then drag your photo right to the start of the vid. So, and you just press the image, press mask, and or maybe press this instead, I guess. Okay. Okay. So this has to be the stand, or maybe not. It has to be the and then you just make it even extended, and voila, you got it. And then here it is, your own EAS alarm. And now all you need to do is upgrade these levers, I guess. So, and then save.
You want to make money, but can't find a way to make money? Download the app. Enjoy this.
And then you can see it loading, and you just stay and wait until you get the right points. And this is how you do it. And then you press, and when the counting finishes, go to the YouTube logo in the middle between Facebook and Instagram, and then title the video, and then voila, upload it. and then you'll see it loading, and voila, that's how you do it. Okay, so bye guys.